Hi there, I'm here from Zamion Wood Shop and I'm going to be showing you how to season or condition your wood boards, and that includes everything from a butcher block to a cheese board, a serving board, or a cutting board. Now you do want to keep your wood board seasoned, and you want to do that often, and that does increase the likelihood that you can extend the longevity of your wood board. It helps prevent cracking, it helps prevent warping. I like to do it at least once a month. In this video here, some of these example boards from Zamion Wood Shop, they all come with wood conditioner, and the wood conditioner I choose is a combination of mineral oil and beeswax, both completely food grade. It's a very hard wax, and I'll show you in a minute what that looks like closer up. So this is what the wood conditioner looks like, and it can be very variable on how hard this wax mineral oil combination can be based on what ratio you use. I like mine to be a little bit harder. I find that it protects a little bit more, and basically I'm just gonna get a big chunk like this, get a little bit more like so, and I'm gonna apply that to the board. So here I'm just applying the conditioner. Sometimes I like to go with the grain. You can apply it with your hand if it's completely food safe, which it usually is and should be if you're going to be serving food on there. Now this is different from the oil that you might see is put on salad bowls. That has some urethane in it, and it actually dries and it then is food safe, but it's not recommended for surfaces where you're going to be doing a lot of cutting on, like butcher blocks or cutting boards. This is completely food safe, and you can apply it to your cheese boards, cutting boards, butcher blocks, but you have to continuously reapply. And the reapplication does help prevent cracking, warping, helps prevent absorption of moisture. After you apply, you're going to wait about 20 minutes. You can apply another coat, wait another 20 minutes, and then buff off. Just for simplicity here, I'm going to buff this off right away and then show you the difference. For buffing, you're going to use a lint-free cloth. I used to like to use a cotton cloth. You get a little bit better absorption if you did wait a little bit longer, but I'm just speeding things up here. And there it is. This black walnut cheese board, and directions on how to apply the wood conditioner.